Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Got another 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I pre-primed this one with some Artist Loft. And I want a basic red layer before I play with white and gray and silver and black. And I've got some Big Apple. I've got some Alizarine Rose. Big Apple is a Prizm pour. Alizarine Rose is a Vivid Intense. Crimson Lust has had Hollyberry added to it. Anyway, so I want to try some Crimson Lust with this, just because I don't want a straight color. And I do want to cover a significant amount of area with red. Definitely gonna. That was the Crimson. That was the Big Apple again. This is the Alizarine Rose, which is a fabulous color, but I wish I'd added some golden diamonds to it. So this is my small spatula. This is the next day. Obviously this is dry, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I did put a little bit of Crescent Seal in the bottom of a container to try to dip my silicone rubber brushes in. But I still want to start by pulling some paint, so maybe I'll just do that. Let's see how I like it. So I'm back. I might have a little paint on my hands. This is dry. I've got my small brush and I've got my toothy tools and I'm thinking about using them, and I've got some Deco-Art Americana silver. I'm just not sure where to start. I think down here is probably a good idea. See if I can use my residuals. Move that up so you can see it for sure. Once I get started, I lose my trepidation, more or less. Yeah, I like that. Let me use a little bit more right there. Not looking for perfection, which is a good thing. Perfection is seldom found. So this is dry, and I could be done, like I said yesterday, and it was yesterday. I've got some white, and I've got a chopstick I whittled down until it had a square end, or mostly square end. And my paint, my white paint, has temporarily ceased to flow. I've got enough to use. So what I want to do is make some check marks. I'm going to move this up a little bit so you can see it better. I don't want it to be rounded, which I'm afraid it's going to be no matter what I do. I did put some dots in yesterday. I might put some more in. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.